Welcome to New Car. Today, we bring you an in-depth review of the Volvo FH16 heavy-duty rotator tow truck, a powerhouse built for heavy recovery operations and extreme towing jobs. This truck is engineered for the toughest roadside rescues, equipped with a rotating crane arm and hydraulic towing system to handle large-scale recoveries with precision. The Volvo FH16 rotator tow truck stands out with its bold red color and custom white and black detailing, giving it a powerful presence on the road. The reinforced front grille and heavy-duty bumper ensure durability, while the LED lighting system, including roof-mounted spotlights and side indicators, provides superior visibility in all conditions. The aerodynamic body panels help optimize fuel efficiency without compromising strength. From the side, you'll notice the rotator crane system mounted behind the cab, which is the key feature of this truck. This hydraulic-powered crane offers 360-degree rotation, allowing operators to lift, tow, or reposition heavy vehicles from any angle. The multi-axle chassis with 6 axles ensures maximum stability and weight distribution, while the large off-road tires provide excellent traction on all terrains. Extended side compartments offer space for recovery equipment, ensuring everything needed for roadside rescues is within reach. Inside, the Volvo FH16 features a luxurious and ergonomic cabin designed for long hours on the road. The leather-wrapped, fully adjustable seats ensure comfort, while the digital dashboard provides real-time updates on fuel consumption, engine diagnostics, GPS navigation, and recovery operations. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, and hands-free communication, making it easy for operators to stay connected. The integrated sleeper bed, climate control, and extra storage compartments make this truck ideal for long-distance recovery missions. Under the hood, the Volvo FH16 is powered by a 16.1-liter D16K engine, producing 750 horsepower and 3,550 newton-meters of torque. This turbocharged diesel engine is built to deliver maximum towing capacity, ensuring smooth performance under extreme loads. The iShift 12-speed automated transmission ensures effortless gear shifts, optimizing power delivery and fuel efficiency. With eco, power, and off-road modes, this truck can adapt to different terrains and working conditions with ease. The Volvo FH16 rotator tow truck features an advanced dual-fuel tank system holding up to 1,200 liters of diesel, allowing operators to cover long distances without frequent refueling. Its fuel-efficient engine management system ensures reduced emissions while maintaining peak power output for demanding recovery jobs. Safety is a top priority in the Volvo FH16, and this truck is packed with state-of-the-art safety features. It includes collision avoidance with emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and electronic stability control, ESC, for enhanced handling and stability under heavy loads. The hydraulic stabilizers keep the truck steady when lifting overturned or sunken vehicles. Built for the most extreme recovery operations, the Volvo FH16 rotator tow truck can lift and tow vehicles weighing up to 100 tons. The hydraulic crane arm with a full 360-degree rotation allows for precision lifting and towing, while the adjustable towing forks and winch system make handling damaged or stuck vehicles effortless. Whether it's flipped trucks, heavy equipment, or multi-vehicle accidents, this machine is ready for the job. The Volvo FH16 heavy-duty rotator tow truck is a true beast of the road, combining raw power, advanced technology, and superior engineering to tackle even the most difficult recovery missions. This truck is an essential tool for towing professionals and emergency recovery teams worldwide. What do you think about the Volvo FH16 rotator tow truck? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Car 808 for more detailed truck reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content.